Hi everyone, I'm Kay. Thank you so much for joining me for my unboxing of Lucca by Ellen Wille in the color Caramel Mix. If you're wondering what I'm wearing, this is Moda Mono by Ellen Wille in the color Light Bernstein Rooted, and I have an unboxing of this one on my channel as well, so just go and have a look. This is available from Adrian's Trenco, so is Lucca. And with my code K20 you will get an amazing 20% off, and I will put the link down below in the description box. But today is about Lucca. I have had Lucca before. This is not a new style, but it's a great, very low density piece that is easy to wear. I never had it in the color Caramel Mix, so let's see what that color is like. I haven't peeked, I haven't looked, so I want to open it with you together. Oh, I like this color. Lovely color. Slightly lighter than Light Bernstein Rooted, but similar. Right, let me pop the box away. Very neatly packaged. With your net, and it sits on some tissue paper so that protects your lace front. Right, so just to give you an idea of Lucca, this is, I would say, I think probably a chin length, very classic bob, but extremely low density. So natural, absolutely amazing, and the cap construction is amazing too. So you have your mono top, so that it means you can part it wherever you like in that section, and it will look like it has growing out of your scalp. You have a lace front that's not extended, but you have an almost all hand-tied cap. You just have a few covered wefts here at the back. You have an extended velvet nape with Velcro adjusters and velvet covered ear tabs. Really light, very lightweight piece, and you have that zigzag parting. So if you're new to wigs, this is normal. Most wigs come with a zigzag parting. You just have to undo that. It's just how they do it in the factory. But here's that piece. So let me take Moda Mono off. And let's pop on this piece. Let me just shake it first, just to really release the fibers from the cap, so they move nice and naturally. Right, let's pop it on. Look how adorable this one is. It's a really cute piece. Just pop it in the right place. And just let me rake my hands through it. This is adorable. Let me show you from all sides. Really cute. Let me show you the lace front. It's just amazing. Transition into the ear tabs. You can see it a little bit, so be careful when you want to pull it back. If you do want to pull it back right there, I would say you can do that, but just pull out some fibers, so you kind of disguise that a little bit. This side is a little bit better, but I think overall, because it's meant to be worn down like this anyway, I think it's absolutely beautiful. Right, let me show you the mono top. Now I have dark hair underneath it, so you will not see it quite as easily, because obviously the darker hair will kind of sit against the parting space. But I think you can see that this is really well done. So this is a piece that I think if you're new to wigs and you're a bit worried about volume, because most of the time we are not really used to seeing us with a lot of hair, Lucca might be the piece to go for. There is no permatease here. You can put a little bit of styling cream in it, just to kind of highlight all these little layers that it has, because it does have some layers, and to swoosh it up a bit if you wanted to. You can do that with wig friendly styling cream, or you can have it really smooth like so. These are regular synthetic fibers. I know quite a few of my viewers really like regular synthetic fibers. Another reason why I think this is a good beginner's wig, because I think it's one you can just throw on and go. You don't really need to look after these fibers, and the length is great as well. So this will last you a while as well, because there's nothing really that rubs against the fibers here. So I always liked Lucca. It has always been a wig that has had its place in my rotation, because it's light, it's natural, it's easy to wear. So tell me what you think of Lucca. Don't forget, use my code K20. Link is down below in the description box. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I hope I see you very soon. Bye.